Price and participation may vary. Limited time offer.
So this is a boost buck converter that you need. About $10, $4 shipping, about $15. You have to know the important thing is input 0.6 volt to 30 volt, output 0.6 volt to 30 volt, 4 amps output current. So it can do a lot of things. With the Ecoflow River, whether you have a big unit or a small unit, it has the cigarette lighter output. This is 13.6 volt, 10 amp. And you have a couple of these barrel connectors that you can plug into the jack here. 5.5 outer diameter and 2.1 inner diameter. So theoretically, if you put a 2mm drill bit in here, it should fit just right. To adjust the voltage, turn it off to set, and then press once, and then press again. So I need 9 volt. So that would be 9 volt, okay? And then now I have to adjust the current. So I need 1 amp or half an amp or whatever you need, right? So just adjust it to 1 amp. And you have 9 volt output. So now you plug this one here into your label printer or to your radio. And since the radio is 4.5 volts, so you have to make your adjustment again once you unplug it from your label printer. Same thing with this unit is standard 12 volts, so you don't need this regulator because the normal output is 13.6 volt. So with this kind of regulator, boost buck converter, it's about $15 including shipping and tax. You can get it on eBay, and the maximum output is 4 amps. So about 40 watts, the maximum it can handle. And with this, you can power radio, printer, and any other voltage other than 13.6. I think this goes up to like 30 volt or something. I have to look at the instructions again. And the adjustment for the voltage, you can go down to like 2 volt, 0 volt, 4 volt, right? So all the way up. Let's see how far it'll go. 17, 20, yeah, it'll 30 volt. 30 volt is the maximum. 0 to 30. Input output. It can boost or buck or down convert the voltage. So this would be a great addition to your Ecoflow, and now you can fully utilize these 2 jacks here.